Did you know that the franchisee industry in Canada is worth over 100 billion? That's right. Today, we're diving into 3 franchisee opportunities that could seriously change your life. So, grab a cup of chai and let's dive into the world of top franchisee in Canada. Because you might just find the perfect business idea for yourself right here. A franchisee is a business where the owner licenses its operations along with its product, branding, and knowledge in exchange for a franchisee fee. In today's video, we are going to explore top 3 franchisee opportunities in Canada that you could absolutely need to know about. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just curious about the franchisee world, this is the video for you. So let's get into it and see what these opportunities have to offer. So when it comes to franchisees in Canada, 3 names really stand out. Not only are they popular, they're also incredibly successful and have a strong foothold across the country. Let's take a closer look at these top contenders. Now today we are diving into the world of franchisees in Canada, but with a twist. Instead of the usual suspects like Tim Hortons or a Subway, we are exploring 3 amazing franchisees that are making waves across the country. And here it is mandatory to mention that any day time the top contender positions will go to Tim Hortons. I have already covered Tim Hortons franchisee exclusively in this video. Link is also given in the description below. Apart from Tim's, Subway sandwiches is also very strong contender. We also have exclusive videos on Subway, links are given below. So for today we will skip Tim's and Subways and jump to the next one, as Canada is brimming with successful franchisees beyond the big names you might already guess or know. Top of our list is Mr. Lube. This automotive service franchisee offers quick oil changes and maintenance services. Founded in 1976, Mr. Lube is a leading provider of quick automotive services across Canada. With over 130 locations, it's known for fast and reliable oil changes and vehicle maintenance. Mr. Lube's franchisee model is built around convenience and quality service. They offer a well-established system with excellent support for franchisees, including training, marketing, and operational assistance. If you're interested in a franchisee that provides essential services with a strong customer demand, Mr. Lube is definitely a top contender. Automotive industry is booming, and with Mr. Lube's excellent training and support for franchisees, you can tap into this growing market with confidence. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of helping people keep their cars running smoothly? Next on our list is the UPS Store. Founded in 1980, the UPS Store is a leader in the shipping and printing industry with over 400 locations across Canada. It's known for its comprehensive range of services including shipping, printing, and postal services. What makes the UPS Store a great franchisee option is the well-established brand and extensive support system. Franchisees benefit from proven business model, training, marketing and resources, and ongoing support. If you're interested in a service-based franchisee with a strong demand, the UPS Store is a solid choice. The third one on our list is Canada Bread. Did you know that Canadian bread franchisee market has seen a whooping 20% growth over the last 3 years? That's right. With more people baking at home and craving artisan bread, now might just be the perfect time to cash in on this booming trend. So have you ever thought about turning your love for bread into a profitable business? Canada Bread has operated as a franchisor since 1960s and provides premium branded and private label bakery and food service products through their franchisees and distributors. So to sum it all up, starting a profitable bread franchise in Canada in 2024 is definitely within the reach. Just remember to do your market research, choose the right brand, secure your financing, and focus on operational excellence. There are tons of opportunities waiting for you in this delicious industry. And who wouldn't want to be the go-to bread shop in their community? Thanks for tuning in to Desi Chai. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comment, what franchisee would you consider investing in? We'd love to hear your thoughts. So until next time, keep sipping on that chai. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you in the next video. Have a good one.